Ready? In the previous video, I said that the gap, they told me that could take months. And right now, I'm not even dealing with the gap insurance right now. I haven't even been able to make a gap claim because I'm still dealing with the warranty. So when I got the car, I got a warranty, and Gap clearly doesn't want to pay for anything more than they have to. So they want me to get my refund from the warranty applied to the account, and then they'll pay the rest. This is the hardest process ever. I bought the car from a small dealership, and I'll probably never do that again if I am going with Gap or whatever. I tried to contact the warranty people because I thought I could just simply cancel it. Apparently, they won't let you cancel your policy yourself. They want the dealership to cancel the policy. So I've been dealing with that. The first time around when I contacted the dealer, I don't understand why this guy couldn't just simply do his job. And he wanted me to submit everything for him. And he just sent me the form, wanted me to fill out everything. Like, he didn't do anything. So I messed up the first time around, so I had to bite that one. I was supposed to email the form to the company, and I spelled cancellation instead of cancellations with an S. So I didn't figure that out until 14 business days after I sent it. And then that's when we figured that out, that was a problem. So I had to eat that one. All right, so I resubmitted it again. Talked to them yesterday, and the lady is telling me like they still don't have the email. And now she's saying it could take 14 business days is what they have. After the 14th business day, y'all about to lose your mind. She told me that they have up to 5 weeks to wait until they actually submit a request to see what's going on. This whole entire time, I'm still making the car no payment because there's like $4,000 left. And I'm sure that whatever they're about to refund is not even going to be $1,000. Like, this is stupid. This is what I've been dealing with. I'm not even mad about it at this point. At this point, it's kind of comical to me. So hopefully I can get this thing taken care of. I think what I'm getting ready to start doing is start literally calling them every single day, maybe multiple times a day, to annoy them. I don't care. They are the reason why I'm still paying on my car note. Like, I was doing good. Like, mentally, like, you know, my girl thought that I was depressed. I could see why she would think that. I was just angry. I might have seemed down. I wasn't very talkative. I just wasn't happy. People could tell that something was wrong. Well, yeah, because that was my baby. Like, she got taken away, beat up. I kind of got over it for a while. I think I said, okay, all right, you know, what it is, what it is. And then my girl was like, hey, well, maybe we could try to like find it and then buy it back if we can find somebody who could like work on it. I had the VIN to the car, so I just put the VIN on Google, and sure enough, bam, there goes the car. Like 2 days before I searched that, the car had been sold. And then, I mean, it just hit me all again. Like, I was sad. It is what it is. At that point, I just knew there was no way that car was ever coming back to me. And it sucks. Like, man, it just sucks.
Has his laptop in that bag, and you do not leave laptops in the car when you come to the city.
Appreciate it. Nice to meet you. Have a seat. I'm almost done here, and then we'll get you guys taken care of.
Thanks.
Okay?
Man.
Yeah. Who's done?
We're here. I had to finally just let go of the orange Charger because we're here to get something different.
Excited for the car, man?
Yeah, it's my second one. My last one got stolen. You go ahead and total it.
Total that out, yeah. Go ahead and spend that insurance money, bro.
Nah, I'm still dealing with the insurance.
Whoa. Things here. So this one here, this is the coin you're going to use. If the coin drops, it's going to retrieve you, right? It's going to retrieve your vehicle for you and vend it, okay? And then I'm also going to send you home with a souvenir token. So you have a cool story to tell. You can show people how heavy it is and stuff like that. And then I'm going to give you one of our Carvana keychains just so you don't have a nasty dealer tag on there.
Gotcha.
So it's all yours, man, and the vending machine's ready for you.
Wow, it is heavy.
I still got to get the vehicle out.
Gotcha. All right.
Congratulations.
Hey, thank you.
This is the moment.
Show me.
Can you see it? Okay. So this goes in this little machine, and then my car comes down. You ready? Yeah. Come and get it.
Oh my goodness. Here she comes. You got the new baby.
Oh. I don't even see the little mark on the door that was talking about. Oh, God. Oh. Yes.
Dang.
Yes.
That's beautiful.
It is. Dang.
Hey girl, hey. That's beautiful.
It is.
I love it. That is sick. You guys buy a car from Carvana.
Oh,
This is
yeah.
sick.
Look at that. I'm going to have to go ahead and get those brakes.
The red ones.
Thank you. Yeah.
He looks at me like that too.
My orange one was hard. That red one? Yeah.
I'm going to pull the vehicle around for you, okay?
Thank
All right,
you.
thank
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. I'm back. I'm back. Oh my God.
Look at how beautiful.
It's like the pictures online doesn't even do justice to what this thing looks like.
And it looked really good online.
Yeah, online it looked amazing.
That's your beautiful vehicle.
His, yeah. Yeah. Woo! Erickson's new baby. That's what I was waiting for.
I know.
Dang. I'm so happy for Erickson.
Get that on camera. You ready?
There you go, man. And it has 2 keys. Save yourself a few $100.
Yeah. Thank you.
Let's go walk around, dude.
I hope you enjoy the vehicle. And like I said, you get 7 days, 400 miles to decide if you want to keep it. I have a feeling you're going to keep it. But yeah.
Only way I want is if they tell me something wrong with it, but if it, as long as it's good, I'm good.
You guys are good, man. This is the one, too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
I don't even see. Wash.
Yep. All right.
Hold on.
What is happening there?
Just take it.
But it's just wet, right? It's not. Look how sexy it is.
Yeah.
And the car too.
Here for now.
He's an avid bike rider.
I used to be. Who knows? Might get back at there. Alright, so
You have like a whole U still to.
Huh?
You could lay down right there. You have like a whole 6 feet
I
left.
need to go out and readjust.
Okay. Good. Little more?
My front end? Look at this.
I think you can shut the garage. Yeah. Yeah, you're fine.